To replace the trail shield on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, first remove the grass bag, if applicable. Holding the rear door open, rotate the old trail shield upward, then bend in the middle to remove it from the rear axle support. To install the new trail shield, hold the flap upward, then gently bend the shield in the middle to insert the posts into the slots in the axle support. Confirm the shield can rotate freely, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.